Welcome to Global Education Center. It's your teacher, Mr. Lungo. Remember, when your mind is enlightened, your future is bright. As for today, it's mathematics, and we have a topic which has to do with collinear. One of the questions in paper 2 mathematics, which is 5 marks. Okay, so now let's see what we have in stock here. So there's a question here from 2018, which is paper 2. The question states, show that the points, which is -2 and -10 there, there's 2,2, there's 5,11. We have to show that these 3 points are what? Are collinear. Now, by just the term collinear, it simply means if these 3 points, they lie on the same line. So the word collinear simply means these are points that lie on the same what? Line. So they are telling us to show if these points are collinear. There are 3 ways on how we can show if these 3 points are collinear. But I'll show you the first one, but I'll take time to explain that one. But let's focus. We see. So now we've been given 3 points. So now your choice, the first thing, you need to decide which points are we choosing. Are we supposed to go with these or we go with those 2 points? It's your choice. As for me, I'll choose these 2 points, then I'll leave out the other one, which is the -2 and the -10. So I'll label this one as X, this one as Y. X, Y. So this one will be 1, 1, then here 2, 2. So I want to show if these points are collinear. So I'll use these points. Remember, I've left that one, meaning I'll go. But it's your choice. You can even pick this one and that one as your point of solving. So now what I'll do here, since I've selected these 2 points, I'll find the gradient. We know that gradient is represented by M, so it's change in Y over change in X. So what I would do, the value of Y will be represented by 11, which is Y2. This is my Y2. Then Y1 will be 2 there over X2, which is 5, minus X1 rather, which is 2 there. So we know the answer here, 11 minus 2, the answer should be 9. Then here, the answer is 3. And our answer there, when you divide, you end up with 3. Then I'll proceed. After finding the gradient, I have to introduce the formula we use when calculating the equation. So it has to be M, then minus X1. So there, I'll continue there. Y1, we know it's 2, it has to be 2. Our gradient there, it's 3 there. Then X there, X1, we know it's 2 there. Oh, that is our X1. But remember, there are points I've left there. So what I'll do, I'll get these 2 points. This one is our X, then that one is our Y. So what I'll do, where there is Y, I'll substitute with -10 minus 2, then equals, where there is X there, I'll substitute with -X minus 2 there. So I'll continue solving. So here, you end up with -12. Then you say equals, so here inside, it will be 3. You know that when you have same signs, what you're supposed to do there, you add but you maintain the sign, so which is -4 there. So it will be 12. Even here, when you say 3 times this one, you get the answer, which is -12. So provided this number is equal to this one, it shows that these 3 points are what? Are collinear. If these 2 numbers matches. But if these 2 numbers did not match, it shows that the points are not what? Collinear. So you can just write the last point. You say, therefore, the points, which is L, M, and N are what? Are collinear. But there is another method where you just find the gradient, but I'll say I'll proceed with the other method, provided you're with us. Don't forget to follow. Thank you.